until 3 p.m.
What the hell?
2:05 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Newton, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
That's a strong storm.
Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts
Go,
and
another
quarter-inch
one.
hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible.
KZZ31.
Sighting: trees.
It's on KZZ31.
Locations impacted include Newton, KWO35, Butler,
Let's go.
Riverdale, Andover,
What the
Atlantic
heck?
Township, Lake Telemark, Green Telemark, and Highland Lake. This includes Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 51 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent ground-to-ground gliding is occurring with this storm.
Frequent ground-to-ground lightning is occurring with this
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Remember, if you can
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm.
What the heck?
Flooding.
torrential
Do not drive
rainfall
your
is
vehicle
occurring
through flooded
with this storm
roadways.
and may lead to flash
That's
flooding.
crazy.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded
That's
roadways.
VA for Baltimore.
Repeating,
Here is
a
the
severe
forecast
thunderstorm
for the New
warning
York
has
City
been issued
metropolitan
until 3
area.
p.m. for the following
Peak
counties.
advisory remains in effect until
North
7
and
p.m. this
Southern
evening.
Yes,
Severe
sir.
thunderstorm watch 591 in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. Flood watch in effect until midnight
No,
tonight.
no, that's strong.
This afternoon, showers likely with scattered thunderstorms.